Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a unique cooking appliance that promises to revolutionize your outdoor and even indoor cooking, the CanCooker Original 4-Gallon Edition. If you're an avid camper, a tailgating enthusiast, or just someone who loves to cook for a crowd, this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. First off, let's talk about what the CanCooker is. It's described as a convection steam cooker, and that's a pretty accurate description. The magic of this cooker lies in its ability to create a potent steam environment that cooks food incredibly fast while locking in all those delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Think of it as a giant, portable steam oven. This makes it ideal for a variety of settings, from rustic camping trips and RV adventures to lively fishing excursions and those epic tailgating parties. One of the features that immediately stands out is its generous 4-gallon capacity. The product states it can serve up to 20 people, and looking at the size of this unit, I can absolutely see that being true. This isn't just for a small family meal, this is for feeding a hungry group. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of its construction and operation. The CanCooker is built from food-grade aluminum, which is a great conductor of heat. However, they've also incorporated an anodized coating. This is crucial because it ensures that aluminum never directly touches your food. This addresses a common concern many people have about cooking with aluminum and gives you that extra peace of mind. The nonstick coating on the inside is another significant plus. Cleanup can often be the biggest drag after a fantastic meal, especially when you're outdoors. The nonstick surface, combined with a removable lid, makes the cleaning process remarkably straightforward. You're not going to be scrubbing for hours to get this thing ready for its next use. But where does this heat come from? This is where the CanCooker truly shines in its versatility. It's designed to work with virtually any heat source you can throw at it. We're talking campfire coals, portable camp stoves, propane stoves, charcoal or gas grills, and even your standard stovetop at home. This adaptability means you're not tethered to a specific setup. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or simply want to try a different cooking method in your backyard, the CanCooker is ready. Now, a very important distinction the CanCooker makes is its safety compared to a pressure cooker. It produces a deep, penetrating steam, which is what allows it to cook food so efficiently and evenly. However, there's a crucial design element, a small hole in the lid. This hole is key. It allows the steam to escape passively, meaning no pressure builds up inside. This is a major safety advantage. You don't have to worry about the dangerous pressure fluctuations that can occur with a pressure cooker. In fact, you can open and close the lid at any time during the cooking process, which is unheard of with traditional pressure cookers and offers a level of control and convenience that's truly beneficial. So, what are the pros of the CanCooker? Its large capacity is fantastic for feeding groups. The convection steam cooking method is healthy and preserves flavor and nutrients. Its compatibility with numerous heat sources makes it incredibly versatile. The food-grade aluminum with anodized coating and non-stick interior contribute to both safety and easy cleanup. And, of course, the safety feature of no pressure buildup is a significant advantage. However, no product is perfect, and let's consider some potential cons. While it's versatile, it does require a heat source, so you'll need to plan for that, whether it's firewood, propane, or a stove. The 4-gallon size, while great for crowds, means it's not a compact, portable item for backpacking. You'll need to consider its bulk for transport. Also, steam cooking can sometimes take a little longer for certain tougher cuts of meat compared to direct grilling or frying, although the claim is fast. Cooking. This might require some experimentation with cooking times based on what you're preparing. In conclusion, the CanCooker Original 4-Gallon Edition is a compelling option for anyone looking to expand their cooking capabilities, especially in outdoor settings or for large gatherings. Its focus on healthy steam cooking, coupled with remarkable versatility and user-friendly features like easy cleanup and a safe, non-pressurized design, makes it a standout product. It's a smart investment for those who frequently cook for more than just themselves and appreciate the convenience and efficiency it offers. Link in the description.